Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today I really want to share with you how I made 15 USDT instantly from a new listed coin. The new listed coin is named CAT. CAT was the long awaited coin which a lot of people have mined, but there was no significant profit from the mining. Though some people still made a lot, and some people it was just the dust. So before we go into this deeply, if this is your first time coming across to this channel, please do it, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and as well share my videos. Okay, so let's look at it. This coin was launched yesterday, which was on the 8th of October. Let's look at it. Looking at it from the scratch, this coin was listed at the rate of 0.0 in force and 5. Here is it. So 0.00005, which is almost 5 zeros, right? It was very poor. So it took a very high move by deleting roughly 2 zeros to this place. And to my greatest surprise, it took another sharp down, which is a very sharp low, and stopped here, right? From then, from there, it started going down, little. So what I did was that I noticed this coin is actually going deep down to take another new move. So I dive in here. So I dive in here. So when I dive in here, I was lucky enough, it started going up. Come to this place. It then goes here a little and take another shot. Okay. It then goes there a little and take another what? And took another shot. Okay, and took another high movement, which results in a very high profit for me. I stick with 3-2 and I cash out 4-8. That was a very reasonable profit, right? 2 here, 10 here, roughly 16. I made 16 USDT just within few minutes. All right. And looking at the coin again, I realized that it has also changed another directions or another movement, like downwards. Like downwards, which I stick again. I'm currently on the trade with 18.2 USDT, right? So I think this is a coin that will have a very high momentum in the near in the nearest future or in the nearest time. But as it is currently, it's really going down. So it is a very good coin that you can invest on and make a huge profit. But you must understand that you also need to make your own proper research about this coin before you can really invest on. because for now I think this is not like this is not a good time. Okay, this is not a good time to buy. But if you can, but if you can watch this from now like to around 12 midnight or around 2 or 3 midnight, then you can invest on, because by then this movement will be stabilized and everything will be okay for you to dive into the market. Okay, so one of the things that makes me have a confidence of investments in this on this very coin is because of the way it started. Yeah, it was listed very poor. It took a high move and also took a sharp down again, which was also very poor. And it took another nice movement again that left a lot of people who dive in earlier in profit. Okay, and one of the things that makes me found so much strong interest again on this coin is the network. So let's dive into the network and see. Coming to the network, it is certain that it's a network of the tone. Okay, and tone is becoming popular in the crypto market now. It also has 13 USDT network, USDT 13 network, which is very okay. So let me look at the overview. In this place, I would like to check the supply limits and also the market cap. The market cap is not yet available because this coin was just listed yesterday, which was on the 8th of on the 8th of October, right? So this is it. The total supply is 600 billion. Its market cap is yet to be available, and this is its website. Should you want to know more, and the white paper also. So let's see. Cat is an innovative Telegram and Tone consumer applications that rewards Telegram users with unique CAT tokens based on criteria such as account age, Telegram premium subscriptions status, and activity level. The more active and engaged a user is, the more CAT tokens they can earn. Additionally, user can invite friends to join the app and earn bonus tokens. Connect CAT's digital products and upload CAT photos, creating a fun and also interactive way to engage with the Telegram community. Okay, so all these are what you can go through. Look at the supply limits, very high. So let's look at the trade. You can see how it has been doing. People are selling and also people are buying. Look at the other book as well and see how really this has been doing. So one of the things again that prompted me to invest in this very coin is a turnover. The 24 hours turnover today was this. That's a 24 hours high of 0.3015. Low is 0.000935. And the turnover is 10 million. You see, the turnover is still what? Is still 10 million. So on this occasion, I choose to also invest again after I've taken profit of 16 USD. All right. So I'm seeing this as an opportunity. You can dive in as well and make a lot for yourself. Okay. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye.